One of my friends actually complained that I have no sound in my videos and he had no idea what was going on. So, hi, my name is Quartzi and welcome to day 6 of Fantasy. Yes, that's what I'm calling it right now, Fantasy. I don't actually have a name for it. But today what was done was mainly the abilities for the Adventurer class have been worked on. Now, there are actually a couple abilities. I forgot how many there were, but AoE and multi-attacks are also a part of them now. So you will be able to do damage to multiple targets at once, or an ability might be able to shoot multiple projectiles in one attack, for example, which is really cool. But the main aspect of day 6 was to work on the dialogue system, which was an idea on my side. I wanted to have a dialogue and the skill NPC to actually get skills from the NPC instead of learned them yourself. It's very simple. You walk over to the NPC, click on him twice, so have him selected, and then interact. And then if he has dialogue, the dialogue screen will pop up, and then you will get the option to close it. You can also just walk away by tapping to the side of the screen, or select the, for example, open skills selection, and then the skill tab will open with all the skills that your character is capable of getting, or that class is capable of getting. And then there, if you select one of the abilities, it will open up a panel underneath stating the description, just quickly the description, the amount it costs, and a button to unlock it, or if it's locked, or if you've learned it already. By default, I decided that up until level 5 or 6, you will have learnt all your abilities. So as the adventurer class, when you make a new character, up until level 6, you will just automatically get the abilities in your skill book. They will exist there. Great, you have them. But then comes the introduction to actually talking to your skill teacher to get more, and that's why up until that point they're basically free, and then you actually have to go to the skill teacher yourself and learn them. The first 2 skills might be free, but then after that the other ones will cost. Something that I did not showcase, I believe, or maybe I have, but I definitely did not give any information about it, is the character swapping, or job swapping in that case. Once your adventurer reaches job level 15, where he can reach a maximum of 20 in the first place, so you actually don't get to play the adventure, or rather, he doesn't really gain too much after reaching 15. You will be able to switch to 3 other jobs: a warrior, a ranger, or what I currently am calling an elementalist, or you can just call him mage. And from there on out, you are capable of, for now, you press the period button and then it will open up a menu and you can just swap. But later on, you will have to talk to a specific NPC or a board. I was thinking of making a job board for it or something, and it will pop up that screen, and then you can swap class. And then you basically are playing a completely new character. Not really, the inventory is the same, your equipment the same, just your skill set and your passives have changed. And each class has their own experience. So same as the adventurer getting a maximum of 20 job level, like having a maximum of 20 job level, the warrior, ranger, and elementalist can go up to 99 or 100. Depends on the number I want to have. And they have a completely new set of skills, and those are the 3 main classes that you will actually be playing in the game. Later on, I thought about maybe adding the more in quotation, subclasses to them. For example, the warrior could become a paladin, which would be a light element class. The mage could specifically turn into a fire mage or a sorcerer or some kind, and the ranger could turn into an assassin or any sort of different like subclass category, which would then open up the whole aspect of the game. There will be a lot more to do, but yeah. I just also want to mention that there are 2 types of levels. There are adventure levels and there are job levels. Job levels are specifically for your class progression. So for that specific class, that's how you get skills and unlock skills, is by improving that specific job level. But then there's also regular levels, so your adventurer level, and this is how you will be able to equip better gear and genuinely become more stronger with better equipment. So job level is for skills, and adventure level is for equipment. Basically, it's spread out that way. And I've been thinking a little ahead, and I was thinking that the the job levels, with every level you get a talent point as well that you can put into a unique skill tree based on that character, so that class, so that the playstyle or the stats aren't always the same for every person, because right now everybody gets the same spells, everybody gets the same equipment more or less. Yeah, but with the skill tree, with 100 basically guaranteed 99 points that you can put into a skill tree, I think that would open up more complexity and more uniqueness towards other players. And I'm gonna plan on getting that into the game at any point, like at some point, not in the near future, but I definitely don't want everybody to feel like they're playing the exact same character. So at least a little bit uniqueness, I think, is a good idea. But yeah, that's about it. New spells, dialogue system, skill teacher, and also, I guess, new mobs. But they were there. They were there on day 5. But I think that's some good progress for 1 week. And yeah, I can't wait for day 7. I'm thinking day 7 will be working towards the other classes, making new skills for them, designing the skills and adding new combat abilities. There's a lot of broken stuff in game, like the code, or not necessarily broken, but unoptimized. It's not good code for the future, so I will definitely look into that at some point. But for the daily logs, even though I started day 4 or day 3 is when I upload the first logs, the first 2 were all on Twitch on stream. I did not actually get any recordings, short recordings or stuff like that. I just randomly decided to, I'll upload this on YouTube, might as well. I've been updating people on Discord, like just random Discords. I love chatting with people, and I've been uploading the videos there, but then I was like, I might as well upload it on YouTube. So I will do a day 7, possibly not tomorrow, but the day after, because I'll be gone. But otherwise, thanks for listening to the log. See you guys next time.